Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Craftsman rider, YTS 4000. Anyways, it was mowing along. All of a sudden it quit mowing and there's no resistance in the engagement handle. So more than likely the blade engagement cable broke. So we're going to install new ones. So hope you enjoy the video. Let's jack it up. You engage the blades and they're all still loose and everything. Then that cable is starting to fray in there. Starting to fray right there. Here's go to the other side and I'll show you how to take it off the dash here. I'm going to unhook the spring. You gotta be careful with that washer down there. There's that washer. And that spring. So now the engagement cable's unhooked. We just gotta take gotta squeeze the tabs. And pop it out of there. So now let's go back to the other side. Okay, I unhooked it off the bracket. And there we go. The cable's froze. It won't even come out of there. It started fraying. So I'm sure it started fraying inside and it just got bound up in there. So I'll go grab a new cable. There, got a new one here. It's AYP 408714. Works so much better. You get a light to shine in there where you hook this up. Hook it in that hole in that bracket over there. There we go. Okay, let's go back to the other side and we'll hook up the top. And there's an adjustment down here. I gotta show this adjustment. It's really important when we're all done. Okay, we're gonna put this on that shaft right here. Then the washer goes on there. Then the spring acts like a clamp to hold it on there. Look at her like that. Now you can hear the blade engaging and everything. Okay, come back over here. There's an adjustment we can make to take some of the slack out. Okay, the belt's kind of in the way, but right here, the 1/2 inch bolt with the slider on it, we'll loosen up and slide it toward this way to get a little bit of that slack out of that cable. And let's slide. And that's how you adjust the tension on there. So let me put the deck bracket back on, and we'll try it out, make sure everything works. All right, let's pull it outside, see if the blades engage. Well, it's all ready to go mowing again. Anyways, hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyway, you guys have a good afternoon.